In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a voice message in Microsoft Teams chat. Whether you're using Teams to collaborate with colleagues or catching up with friends, sometimes a quick voice message can convey your thoughts more naturally than typing them out. Now let's dive into the steps for doing this, starting with the desktop version of Microsoft Teams. First off, it's important to note that as of now, the desktop version of Microsoft Teams, whether you're on Windows or Mac, does not have a built-in voice message feature for chat. This might be unexpected if you were looking for a straightforward button to hit and start recording. However, don't worry, there are workarounds you can use to achieve similar results. One of the simplest options is to utilize the mobile version of Microsoft Teams. This is where the power of cross-device synchronization comes in handy, because Microsoft Teams on mobile does have a voice message feature. You can record your voice message on your mobile device and it will automatically sync to your desktop chat. This way, your recipient can listen to your voice message regardless of the device they're using. Alternatively, if recording on your phone isn't convenient, you can create an audio file separately on your computer. You can use any recording application you already have installed, such as the voice recorder app on Windows or QuickTime Player on a Mac. Once your recording is done, save the audio file in an easily accessible location on your computer because you'll need it shortly. Now comes the part where we integrate your audio into Microsoft Teams. In your Teams chat, look for the paperclip icon, commonly known as the Attach option, which is located within the chat window. Clicking on this icon will allow you to upload files from your computer. Simply select the audio file you recorded and it'll be uploaded to the chat, ready for your recipient to play. This method, while involving a few extra steps, still allows you to share your voice effectively in Teams chats. It's a practical solution, especially when you want to emphasize points that might be lost in text or add a personal touch to your messages. Hopefully, you find these tips useful for navigating the current limitations of Teams' voice messaging feature on desktop. As Microsoft continues to update its software, we can expect enhancements to user functionalities. Until then, these workarounds are our best option for ensuring that our communication remains clear, efficient, and engaging across platforms. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this helps you make the most of your Microsoft Teams experience.